last trend was like you have to decide your time schedule, like whether you are able to do late night preparation or morning, getting up early in the morning. What I used to do is, like after coming home from school, I used to sleep for about 45 minutes. Then start my studies, and I used to sleep at night at 10 o'clock. And at 4:30, I'll get up in the morning. 4:30 to maybe 7, I'll do nice preparation. And
God is everywhere, but His grace is only for one who works hard. Just what I said, when you work hard, you get the reap of success. The formula of success. Success formula is based on 3 simple principles. Seek out and find the information. You should not straightly go and ask the teachers. First, you should refer the books and find the information. Apply the information immediately and be persistent. We have to be consistent in our hard work. You should not give up. For example, physics means you have to continuously practice the diagrams, problems, read the chapters every day. Whatever they teach in the class, you should read it. Then maths means whatever the problems they work in the class, you should go to home and work immediately. Timeline for preparation. Time management is important thing, and study the lessons daily. Don't postpone it and be in trouble. If you postpone, you'll always be in trouble. Use bit by bit strategy. Whatever they teach in the class, if they teach a small thing in the class, you should just practice it at home. Don't dump yourself with your books in the previous night of examinations. And another important thing, you should not dump in the previous day of examination. Prepare hard daily and go through it. You should just revise it during the examination.
It's about college and course. When you choose a top college, course may not be considered to be a greater extent. This is actually not needed for you, I suppose. Basically, you will be getting very good marks. Then the college and courses will not be any problem for you all. Choose a course that you always longed for. Actually, I longed for getting aeronautical engineering, but situations made me to take medicine. But you all be clear in choosing your course and all. A rough road ahead. Survival of the fittest. Only the fittest will be surviving. Here the competition is very heavy, and you all have to get. You might all know the competition for medicine nowadays. Actually, last year and all, it was not that much. But this year, the competition have raised heavily. So you all must work hard. Only the top scorers can get into very good colleges and all. Have a clear vision. Yeah, vision must be very clear then. You should first plan, then start to study. Smart work is more important than hard work. It is not necessary to sit and study till midnight and all. If you listen the classes properly and read day-to-day subjects then and there, then it is not necessary to sit and study for till 12 and all. Be a risk taker. Attempt to take risk and learn time management. That is, try to complete your papers in time. Then have a routine schedule of studying. Obstacles to success. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. When you just deviate from your goal, then the obstacles will just prevent you from success. These are some obstacles which you might face. Restless mind, bad food habit. This I have to mention.